You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name, the name of this famous German city in Germany. If you want to learn more German vocabulary and famous places in Germany, stay tuned. We got tons more coming up on the channel and the video. At the end of the video, Gelsenkirchen. That would be your German pronunciation. Gelsenkirchen. Therefore, in English, similarly, the pronunciation, English pronunciation, how to pronounce Gelsenkirchen. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.